Hi there, and welcome back to PMN Online. In this video, we are going to cover how to check website traffic in Semrush. Now, why is this important? Well, whether you're a seasoned marketer or just dipping your toes into the digital world, understanding website traffic is absolutely crucial. It helps you evaluate your online strategies and improve your visibility in this vast digital landscape. So, let's dive right in and explore how Semrush can be your ally in this journey. First things first, open up your favorite web browser. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you prefer. Once you have it open, head over to the search bar and type in Semrush. Hit enter, and this will take you directly to the Semrush website, which is our starting point for today's exploration. If you're already a member, just log in with your credentials. But if you're new to Semrush, don't worry. Signing up is a breeze. Simply follow the on-screen instructions to create a new account, and you'll soon have access to all of Semrush's powerful features. Once you're logged in, your next stop is the Traffic Analytics section. This is where the real magic begins. Here, you'll find a search bar waiting for you to input the domain name of the website you want to analyze. Type in the domain and let Semrush work its wonders. The platform will present you with a wealth of information, offering a comprehensive overview of the site's traffic metrics. You'll see data such as total visits, the number of unique visitors, the average number of pages visited per session, the duration of those visits, and the all-important bounce rate. Now, these metrics are essential not only for understanding the quantity of traffic a website receives, but also the quality. Let's dig a little deeper. Semrush provides insights into where a website's traffic comes from. You'll get a detailed breakdown of traffic sources, which includes organic search, referral traffic, paid search ads, and social media platforms. This kind of information is invaluable for tailoring your online strategies and focusing your efforts on the channels that are driving the most visitors to your site. But wait, there's more. Semrush also offers a nifty feature where you can add competitive domains. You can input up to 5 competitor websites and compare their traffic data directly alongside your target website. This comparison is crucial for understanding market positioning and evaluating where you stand in relation to others in your industry. Additionally, with the organic research tool, you can delve into the specific keywords that are driving traffic to these competitor websites. This tool is an invaluable asset for your keyword strategy, allowing you to uncover new opportunities to capture more search traffic. Head over to the My Reports section. Here, you can view your previously downloaded reports or customize new ones. You can tailor these reports with specific timeframes that suit your analysis needs, making it a very flexible tool for reporting. And don't overlook the Audience Overlap dashboard. This tool provides insights into how audiences are shared among different domains. It's a critical insight for identifying cross-promotional opportunities and understanding audience behavior in the market. And there you have it. Using Semrush to check and analyze website traffic is not just straightforward, but it also empowers you with actionable insights. Thank you for watching and happy analyzing. Hopefully this guide helped you easily master how to check website traffic in Semrush. If it did, please let us know down in the comment section below. If you want more videos like this, subscribe to the channel PMN Online.